What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? It is your doll, Tanisha Hines. We are going to do some flexi rods today on my beautiful daughter, Kennedy. We are all going through and detangling right now. I just went and fast forward. We did the lock method and I sectioned her off. So we're going to do a little combination. We're going to do some red flexi sets with some zigzag cornrows. I just freestyled it. And I'm going to be using the red flexi rods, a lot of body that's diluted. My honey almond styling foam by Influence, end papers, a big comb. Make sure you get your leave-in conditioner. So she had a keratin treatment. So we're going to go ahead and use that heat protection and leave-in and rosemary stimulating spray for her scalp. Okay. Say hello to Kennedy. Ow. My dog 10 now. She is so big. Okay. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and section it out. You don't have to section it the way I'm sectioning it, okay? You can go in and just straight ball it. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because I'm doing time drills and I wanted to try to see if I can go ahead and do a full set within 30 to 45 minutes. So I do little things behind the scenes to try to go ahead and maximize my time. So, do how you want to. All right, so right now we go ahead and we're spraying the lot of body in. You can read the back of the bottle. I kind of do it by the color, a little bit of lot of body, and you dilute it with water. Okay. And then I do styling foam. Well, Tanisha, why you doing both? Why you doing both? When you see the results, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Okay. When you're doing a flexi raw set on natural hair, it's not the same as doing it on relaxed hair, but you still want it to look the same, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do tension. So them end papers are going to save your life, especially with cleaning, sanitation, and alleviate fish hooks. Okay, now if you don't know what fish hooks is, that's when the curl has a little hook and it's not a complete circle, like it's giving you that hook. Okay, so we're gonna book it. I forgot the original term. This was the 90s. Okay, we're gonna book it. That means close up the end paper. You see how I'm gonna do that? Roll, smooth, roll, smooth. And I'm going to do it fast throughout. So the whole time, every time you're rolling each rod, you should be rolling and smoothing out the hair and making sure you are adding tension. And you're going to over direct. So let me try to think about how to do it. I just do it. So you go off base to get on base. Okay. This is I don't know how to make it other than if you went to hair school, you know how you do rollers on base, half off base, and over directed. However you manipulate the hair kind of helps you get it on base. So kind of go off. Don't just watch. Shoot. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. What's popping? All my beautiful dolls and divas, my new subscribers. How y'all doing? What's going on? Comment section. I don't care if it's one comment. I appreciate every last one y'all give me. Forever hold your peace. If you want me to go ahead and talk regular, go ahead and drop what high school we went together with. We went to Crossland, Duval, Centerville. Your doll has went to literally three different high schools. So I don't believe that I really know anybody on these YouTube streets personally for them to be telling me in the comment section to talk regular. Oh child, yes, I read your rights and forever hold your peace. Okay. This is entertainment. And I love every last one of my beautiful dolls who come off my YouTube channel and come to Posh Hair Designs in person. Do not expect you're going to be getting all this extra entertainment in person. We're going to go ahead and keep it posh. Of course, you're going to get me. It's different layers of me. But, this is all time. This is entertainment. Who wants to see a born hairstylist do the same thing over and over and over? So we went ahead and rolled it all the way up. And now I'm going to go ahead and do some zigzags. I did not blow dry her out by me sectioning it. It is dry enough, okay? And we're going to go through and just, go with it. Now, lock method, LOC. If you're not familiar with lock method, I did that before we started rolling. We're going to lock in that moisture. How are we going to do that? Liquid. Your liquid can be a leave-in conditioner, a heat protector, whatever that has, or you could mist it with a little water, but the pH to everybody water is not the same. So to be safe, just go ahead and lock in with a leave-in conditioner. That's your L, okay, your liquid. Then you'll see your cream. Okay. We're going to go ahead and lock in that water, that liquid, with that cream. So I like to use the what? The Shea Butter Lock Moisture by Influence. Then we're going to go ahead and do the O. That's the oil. The oil is going to seal in that moisture from that cream. Lock it up. But Tanisha, that's not spelled the right. Guess what? I ain't got time for the acronyms. I did not make it up. I did not create it. I'm passing it along. Okay? You always prep the hair and the scalp in a certain order. Okay? The hair and scalp is not the same. All right, all right. So we are doing this so she doesn't have any tension. This is a nice wet work protective style. A protective style does not mean we always have to cover up the tresses. We're going to protect it from manipulation. So, using a rod, a coil out, a gel twist, something like that, that is using the control heat from the dryer, is another way to protect your hair from damage and constant manipulation. This should last you 2 to 3 weeks. Did it last Kennedy 2, 3 weeks? I'll wait. No, it did not. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a spoiler alert as we unroll these flexis. She set about a good 30, no, about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, you got to make sure they are completely dry. By her being half and half and being small, normally I gotta go ahead and put the whole dryer down. As I'm rolling, you see the rods are in. I tuck them down so they can fit underneath the dryer. If you got them going looking like a porcupine, you're gonna have a hard time getting them rollers underneath that dryer. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. So this comes with expertise. I used to love me doing a flexi set back in the day, honey. I want to get a flexi set. Well, the only way you get a flexi set in Posh Hair Designs if you part of the hair growth regimen, okay? That's the only way. Oh, we got extensions. That's the only way we getting flexi rods up in here, okay? I'm just showing y'all for y'all little tykes out here. But Tanisha, back to the T. Kennedy hair didn't last. You know why Kennedy hair didn't last? That's the K18. You lock it in with, okay? And I ordered her scalp with the rosemary scalp therapy. All that stuff is in my shop on my YouTube little link. You see the little shopping bag. You get it there. Get what's in stock, okay? Hit me in the comments if you want something that's not in stock. I got you. All right. I get influence come by every Friday. Right now, I'm just untwisting it. You can use a little shea butter, whatever cream that you want, to go ahead and do it. I like to use my influence line because it does not give any flakes. You know what's another comparable that I played with that I like? She loves it. That new natural hairline by Tamika by Boho. I like it. The Murray Claire. I think it's after her daughter. I like that. They got a little cream that is cute because Ashay wants to go ahead and be bankrupt because they want to go ahead and put on Amazon and get all the money and forgot about the professional stylist. So they gone extinct. So my favorite thing I used to pluck my twist out with is gone. So we doing a little bit of little edge, little something, something, little swoop, swoop. We not doing too much. We don't want to cake it up and clog her edge follicles up for life. Okay. We just want to go ahead and maintain the hairline. But this was easy. Something that your kid could last. The reason it did not last, y'all, is because Kenny took her bonnet off and combed out the whole side. And what did I do? Ruined it. How did I fix it? I went ahead and cornrowed the whole front. She acts like she a hairdresser, but what can I say? Thank y'all for watching. As always, put yourself first. How y'all like it? Is it something that you can do? Leave the comments below. I'll see y'all next week. Until next time, deuces.